Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to successfully download and install the insightsoftware's Spreadsheet Server platform version. Spreadsheet Server provides dynamic access to ERP or relational database data within Excel, enabling seamless integration and powerful drill-down capabilities. Users can create reports from simple workbooks to complex dashboards without rekeying or downloading data. Download the installer. First, navigate to download.insightsoftware.com. Here, you'll find the platform-specific link to download any of the previous 3 platform versions. Let's download the necessary file. You'll find it in your Downloads folder. Extra resources. When you open it, you'll see user guides, technical requirements, application-specific user guides, query designer guides, platform user guides, and release notes. These resources provide extra information on using the product. Setup Wizard. Let's run the file by double-clicking it. The setup screen will guide us through the process step by step. Click Next to proceed. You'll be presented with the user that you've selected. This assumes that your platform account is available and you've logged in and authenticated. Setting up an account is covered in a separate video. Since we're installing this for an existing user, click Next. Select your ERP. We support over 140 ERPs, so you can select other or multiple if needed. Click Next. Select the components you'd like to install. Let's select all 3 components. If you don't need the cloud connector, don't select it. Click Install. The installation is complete. Click Finish. But we're not entirely done yet. File configuration. We need to configure some files to ensure everything points to the right spot. If you followed our uninstall video, you would have backed up your configuration files. Locate your backup folder. We need to place these files in the correct locations so that the Spreadsheet server can read them properly. We'll copy and paste files from the backup folder to the new installation path. C, Users, Public Documents, Global Software Inc., Spreadsheet Server. Navigate to the backup folder, copy the Ad Hoc Queries folder, and paste it into the new path, replacing the default files. Repeat this for the Custom GL folder and the Query Designer folder. Lastly, ensure the .NET Connections file is copied over. Now, let's launch the Application Configurator. Search for Application Configurator in the Windows Start menu. Log in with the initial password, GSI, all lowercase. This is a password-protected program for admin users, but you can change the password later. After logging in, you'll be asked to authenticate through the platform. Enter your email address and continue. This leverages the platform's benefits, including single sign-on and multi-factor authentication. Accept the license agreement and open the Application Configurator. You'll see users from the platform. Ensure your connections are correct. Test the connections to confirm everything is working. Save your settings and launch Excel. Launching Spreadsheet Server. We've installed the solution, mapped our files, and ensured everything works as before. Excel will prompt you to select your general ledger, pulling from the saved location files. Select your ledger. Most users will use the Designer General Ledger. Click OK to launch and open Spreadsheet Server. Configuring settings. Spreadsheet Server will be live and active in the ribbon. If you logged in through the Application Configurator, you won't need to log in again. Let's configure additional settings. Open Settings. Here, you can adjust user preferences. For example, set your default formula builder values. In GL reporting, turn off zero balances to avoid seeing zero-value activity. Save your changes and set your default Designer GL. Browse for the GL definition using the password GSI. Select your custom GL folder and load the appropriate file. Save it and set it as your default. Ensure your default Designer GL is correctly set. Click OK. Testing and finalizing. Launch the formula builder, populate values, and test them. Insert fields, pick a year, and drill into balances. You have now successfully installed the platform version of Spreadsheet Server. And there you have it. With insightsoftware's spreadsheet server installed and configured, you're now ready to streamline your financial reporting processes. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us via this email. Additionally, for more information, access the insightsoftware product documentation using the link provided in the description.